Hey everyone, if you have been looking for how to turn your social media game into a profitable empire right here in Nigeria, then you are in the right spot. I'm Usman Atanda, and today we are diving deep into the lucrative world of social media influencing in Nigeria. By the end of this video, you have the tools and strategies to start making serious cash. So hit that subscribe button and smash the like if you are ready to elevate your influence. Let's get that money moving. All right, let's break it down. Making serious money as a social media influencer in Nigeria involves 5 keys. Step one, find your niche. Whether it's a fashion, tech, travel, or comedy, your niche is your secret sauce. What are your passion? What are you passionate about? What can you talk about all day? Find that and you find your good mind. Step two, build authentic content. Authenticity sells. So capture your audience with stories, experiences, and content that resonates. Keep it 100% real, and your followers will not only stick around, they will grow. Definitely. Step three, grow your audience. Use hashtags, collaborations, and engage with your followers. Remember, it's not just about the numbers, but about having an engaged community. Step 4, monetize your influence. Here is where the cash comes in. Brand partnerships, sponsored contents, social media ads, merchandise, and more. Keep your integrity, but don't be shy to monetize your influence in this space. Step 5, stay consistent and evolving. The digital world changes fast, and you should. Please keep learning and keep posting and keep your content fresh. It's a hustle, it's worth it. Now, let's talk a strategy. To make serious money, you have to treat your social media like a business. So this means understand your audience and audience analytics, leverage the right platforms, and always deliver value. So, and hey, don't forget the power of networking. Attend events, reach out to other influencers, and build relationships. The blueprint to making serious money as a social media influencer in Nigeria. It's all about passion, strategy, and a whole lot of hustle. If you've got any question or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay influential. You see you on, or I'll see you on the flip side. So let's make this money. Thank you.